Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a stock portfolio in Excel. We'll start by setting up your spreadsheet. Open a new Excel workbook and create clear column headers in the first row. Essential columns include stock name, ticker symbol, the date you bought it, your purchase price per share, and the number of shares you own. This foundational structure is crucial for organizing your investment data effectively from the very beginning. Next, let's populate your sheet with your actual investment data. Input each stock's ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple, and the number of shares you hold. Then, highlight your ticker symbols and use the Data tab to convert them into the stock's data type. This powerful feature allows Excel to automatically pull in live financial information, such as the current price and market capitalization, ensuring your portfolio reflects real-time values. Now, let's get to the numbers and calculate your portfolio's performance. First, create a total invested column. Simply multiply your buy price by the number of shares. Then, calculate the current value by multiplying the current price by your shares. To find your dollar gain or loss, subtract the total invested from the current value. Finally, divide the dollar gain or loss by the total invested to get your percentage gain or loss, providing a clear performance overview. To make your portfolio easy to understand at a glance, let's add some visual elements. Use conditional formatting to automatically color cells green for gains and red for losses, providing instant insights. Consider creating a pie chart to visualize your portfolio's allocation across different stocks or sectors. You can also use filters to quickly sort your data, helping you analyze specific investments or identify overall trends in your portfolio's performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.